What should you do if you keep failing those damn psychometric tests? Now, let me start by saying that I know exactly how you're feeling, because that was my main problem when I was applying for internships and graduate roles. I just kept failing those numerical and verbal reasoning tests. So I know exactly how you're feeling, and I've got good news. And the news is that with a little bit of commitment, with a little bit of hard work, with a little bit of time, you can overcome this problem. So I kept on failing these tests until the moment when I decided enough is enough. Let me invest in a practice package. Let me spend 20 minutes every single day for the next 2 weeks practicing these tests until I can do them in my sleep. And that was the turning point for me, because if you think about it, failing at the psychometric test, which is one of the earliest stages, just ruins the whole process for you, and prevents you from actually reaching the later stages where you could have maybe done well. For me, I knew I was confident in interviews and assessment centers, but it's these tests that kept holding me back. So I would encourage you to do exactly what I did, which is make a commitment that enough is enough. Make a commitment that I'm willing to invest time, I'm willing to invest money, I'm willing to invest my own hard work and efforts in solving this problem. And I guarantee you, once you get good at it, you won't have this problem again, because it just becomes so quick and so natural. So what I did was I looked at all the different packages out there in terms of practice package that I could find, and at the time it was £124, and I hustled it. I didn't have £124 in my account. I hustled it. I shouldn't be saying this, but I shared the cost with a few other friends who had the same problem. Now, luckily, that same package is still around, and it's actually a lot cheaper now. I've got the link for it in the description box. Now, my advice is get yourself the pack, practice every single day, just 20 minutes. Just do one test for the next 2 weeks. If you've got a test in like 3 days time, then put everything on hold and just smash out those tests. I think the pack comes with 20 tests. Do them all twice or 3 times over until you can just do it in your head. And that is essentially, very simply put, how you overcome that problem. There's no magic pill. What there is a solution, which again requires a little bit of commitment and effort. So I recommend that package. That is the one that helped me. I highly recommend it. It's from assessmentday.com. And let me know how it goes.